everyone, I'm Shivani Saxena and welcome to my channel S for Shivani, a one-stop destination for all your MBA needs. In today's video, I will be telling you about 5 interesting ways to make a presentation which you can use either for your B-School competitions, corporate competitions or for your regular assignment submissions. Now, some of the important points to keep in mind when making a presentation is the color theme that you are using. So for example, if I tell you to imagine a red can of soft drink or yellow arches or a red bar of soap for an example, there is a certain brand that comes to your mind when you look at those colors and when you imagine those colors. That is why it is very important to choose colors very carefully while making a presentation. Other important aspects of a presentation are the entire layout of it and how it can be customized as per the problem statement that you have been given. You cannot put all the text on one slide, you have to segregate it into different headings, and each heading should flow very smoothly from one slide to the other slide. Now in this video, I will be talking just about how to create a layout for your presentation. And often I get asked, that can you please share your own competition presentation or can you share a PPT template that you have with you? And of course, I do share that with you, but I would recommend strongly to start creating your own presentations, because if there is a panelist who has come to judge that competition last year, or if the company has been keeping a repository of such presentations and they find that you have reused a presentation, that might put you in a bad light. So always customize your presentation as per the company or the competition that you're making it for, and also create it on your own. Before we move ahead and discuss this topic in detail, please like this video and subscribe to the channel right away, because it gives me great happiness and it gives me great motivation to make more such videos. The first style which I'm going to talk about is the general theme. So if you feel you have a shortage of time or if you're confused as to what you can do, then you can go with the general theme of the industry or the product. So in my case, I was participating in a case study competition for an oil and petroleum company. And when I think of fuel, I think of energy and vibrant colors. Hence, I decided to go with the colors orange and yellow in my presentations. I'll show you a snippet of the slide which I made using the same color theme. The logo and text. So here again, you can keep the slides very minimalistic. You just have to use the logo of the company and one or two products of the company in the backdrop. So the presentation that you can see on the screen right now is the one that was sent by Asian Paints, and the participants just had to fill their answers in this. Now, if I go to Slide Master, you will see how this was created. So at times the companies add the logo and their background theme separately, and that you can take from the Slide Master. But in this case, it is just used as one image. So I'll tell you, let's say for the final round, how can you create the similar format on your own? So what you can do is just insert a new slide right now, and we'll go to the brief that was sent. We'll crop the logo out of it and we'll paste it. Now do the resizing as you want and wherever the logo you want to place it. And you can also add your college's logo on the left hand side as you wish. Now what we'll do is we'll go back to that brief and we'll take a screenshot of the product range that they have shown. And I'll paste it here. So it's just a simple logo, product, and the heading that you want to write, and you can just start writing the content here. I'm going to go to insert and insert a rectangle, and I'm going to fill it with color white, and I will remove the border line so that it is white. And now I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to format shape and increase the transparency of this shape so that the image which is behind this rectangle starts to get visible. And here our slide is ready. Now what you can do is you can paste the exact same thing in Slide Master so that it repeats for all the slides. The third way of making the presentation is using the theme of the case brief. So here if you see, the case that was sent by HUL Lime was all themed in blues, light blue, dark blue, white. So what I did was I created this slide on my own. If you see, I replicated the entire color theme which is used by HUL to make my own slides. I'll also show you another slide which I made using the same theme which was used in the brief. The fourth style of making a presentation is using theme color of the product under study. So this is one of the snippets of the slide we made for a competition of Nestle, and the product was on Maggi. So this is how we've used the color theme of Maggi's package. The fifth style of making a presentation is using the theme of the website of the company. So for example, if I tell you, if you have to see what themes Bain & Company follows. So they follow a theme of red, black, grey and white. Compared to if I ask you what theme BCG follows, then clearly their theme is green, black and white. Even the menu is like that. So if you feel that the case is a bit generic, or if you're confused about the color theme, then you can go with the color theme of the website of the company. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you found something useful. Do let me know about how you felt about this video. Also, in the description of the video, you will find an open link to download few competition preparations which I made and few of my friends made for the competition. So you can take an idea from that, but the crux of this video remaining, that design your own presentation. All the best for all the competitions and different internship projects that you're making the presentation for, and I know you're going to rock it.